Hello, this is Bill Crosser from MCV Law. Many clients ask me whether or not they can be terminated or fired while out on workers' compensation. The sad fact is they can. The workers' compensation law in and of itself does not promise to return you to your job. You could understand this in certain industries, such as a school bus driver, where the job cannot be held until you're able to return to work. Now, sometimes you are able to collect unemployment benefits as well as partial workers' compensation benefits. This occurs when your degree of impairment is such that you can't return to your work or that your employer will not take you back into your 100%. So you're receiving partial comp. In those instances, you may receive unemployment as well as New York State workers' compensation benefits. Now, the math gets complicated in workers' compensation and certainly is more complicated when there's an unemployment benefit component. And unemployment will not last as long as workers' compensation. Workers' compensation benefits generally last until you return to some work or you are found to have a permanent partial disability when a cap is imposed on the benefits. When talking to your attorney about workers' compensation, it's always important to understand how long the benefits are likely to last and how they apply to your particular injury. Depending on what body part you injure will determine the time frame or the duration of your benefit. An injury to an arm or a leg is likely to have a shorter duration than an injury to a neck or a back. And neck and back injuries are treated significantly differently than injuries to your arm or your leg. Therefore, it's important when thinking about your workers' compensation case and the interplay between workers' comp, unemployment, and maybe some other employee benefits that you have by virtue of your employment or federal law, that you consider the various time frames that apply and have a strategy to get you through this tough time while you're out of work. At MCV Law, we spend a lot of time working on a strategy and helping you understand what it's going to take and how we're going to accomplish helping you get your life back.